Well, woke up today, sun's already bright in the sky. It's like 9:30 Fairbanks time or Alaska time. We had breakfast, everything. We're going to be heading to the end of the Alaska Highway today, and then we're going to be heading up to Fairbanks to go to the hot springs. Guys, this is why I like doing these trips up to the north, especially the northwest, is the hot springs. I know there's lots and lots of hot springs up here. Tabitha's getting into her seat and we're getting ready to go, so let's hit the road. Well guys, we made it to the end of the Alaska Highway. The road from Destruction Bay was fine, but from Destruction Bay to the Alaska border was pretty rough. I think it's been the slowest going that we've ever had to do just because of how bumpy it was. But we actually got the best of fuel economy, and the price of fuel here in Alaska only cost us $88 American to fill this thing up, which is only $122 Canadian at the exchange rate. So that's what we did, but we made it here. We are at the end of the Alaska Highway. Dorothy's holding up pretty good. We just had a code come up, but 3 days ago I mentioned to Tabitha that the thing was taking a long time to warm up, and guess what? It was for coolant. It was saying that it was coolant thermostat slow to open. So that's fine. I'm happy with that. Let's go check out the end of the monument. So they have all these awesome monuments right here, but the monument for the end of the highway is gone. So they have a temporary one, and we got a certificate. Tabitha, hold that certificate. We did the Alaska Highway. I said after that road, we deserve a certificate. So let's go get a photo with the bus with this. Well guys, you think this spot's right good here?
Sure.
Use my shirt, clean some of this Alaskan Alcan Highway off. Get this nice and clean, because we have a surprise. We bought a sticker.
It's earned its badge of honor.
It's crooked, it's crooked! I'm just joking, it's perfect. Drive the Alaskan Highway, they said. It'd be fun, they said. God damn, was that difficult. But we did it.
We did it.
Even Harley did it. She's over there enjoying the fresh Alaska dirt. Well guys, we were gonna stay in Fairbanks for a night. We were gonna go to a hot springs resort, because guys, I'm a sucker for hot springs. But then we seen on the news that a whole bunch of fires broke out in southern Alaska between where we had to go in Fairbanks and Tok, which is the way out, pretty much. So as of right now, we decided not to spend the night in Fairbanks. We did get to go to the North Pole in Alaska. We bought a whole bunch of little trinkets, and we got a couple of North Pole stickers, and I got myself an Alaska plate, which is something I wanted. Next plate I want is Yukon. But what we're trying to do is make it out of Alaska before they shut down the roads. It doesn't seem like a hard thing to do, but I don't think it's going to be that easy. So right now, we're on a race to get out of Alaska before it catches fire. Well, at least the spots that we're at will catch fire. It's like blocking out the sun. Can you guys see the smoke on camera? The bus is just zooming. We're getting out of town. Getting out of Dodge. Getting out of Alaska. So I think we got away from the smoke. It's still over there. It's not nearly as bad as it over there. Like guys, it smells like you're at your neighbor's house and they got the smoker going and they've been cooking it for about 7.5 hours. This is not great, but we made it out before it got too bad. The water's pretty high though. This is like a kilometer wide river. But all the smoke is over there. I'm happy we got away from it though. Let's continue this way. We are needing a place to have a shower because it's been about 4 days since we had a shower. Tabitha looked on the app, iOverlander. She looked on that app, iOverlander, and found this cool place. So we were able to do a quick load of laundry, watch some TV, and then we had showers. Best part of the showers is it cost us $5 each. Towels are provided. You just put money in there, have your shower, throw your towels out, and then clean the showers after you're done. It was a nice little setup. So that iOverlander app, man, is really helping us out here, finding places to sleep, places to shower, places to eat. It's been really cool. Plus, I got to watch a nature on lions and chinchillas. Well, guys, does this site look familiar? This is where we left this morning. Actually, this exact same spot. The only difference is now is the bus is up on blocks, but the sun's still high in the air. It's 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. Today, we left here. We drove all the way to the North Pole. We were going to go to Fairbanks to go do a hot springs, but unfortunately, there was a couple forest fires in Fairbanks, and the smoke was getting pretty thick, and I don't think we would have been able to enjoy the hot springs with that amount of smoke. So we turned around, we came back, and we made it back to this spot. Tomorrow the road to Chicken is just that way, and they say it's one of the worst roads up here. But what's making me a little bit nervous is this road here has already torn that bushing out of it. That one's not doing great. There's some clunking going on. This might be the culprit for most of the clunking, but yeah, I definitely have not been enjoying these rough roads. They've been tearing the arm right off of me. Don't worry about that dripping, that's just air conditioning. Like, I think this thing's gonna need all new springs when I get home. Probably new tie rods. It's crazy. Probably ball joints. Oh, I'm super happy I did that wheel bearing before we left Ontario. But we made it back to the exact same place that we left from. It's gonna be another good night's sleep here. We know this place. iOverlander, again, told us about this place, so the app is really saving us. But we're doing good. She's just getting a little beat up. Well, guys, here we are on another beautiful day. It's 6:30 a.m. Sun really didn't go down last night. I got up at like 2 a.m. to go pee, and it was still very bright out. But today, I think it's going to be some of the roughest roads that we've been on yet today. Oh yeah, so far on this trip, we have to go from Atoke to Chicken to Dawson City, across the top of the world, crossing from Alaska to Yukon again. And I've heard people around here talk about the road to Chicken, and they say it's goddamn bad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head out early, give ourselves lots of time. The border at this opening is only open, I believe, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. I'm not sure. So they say it's only a 4-hour drive to Dawson from where we are. But with how bad the road is, I think it's going to turn into 6 pretty damn quickly. So let's get this thing started. We already woke up. We haven't eaten any breakfast today because we figured the road's going to be so bad that we don't really want to upset our stomachs. But we're going to be hitting the road here. You ready for this drive? 25, 26 kilometers an hour. I'd like to reintegrate. This is highway number 5. Oh my God. The scary part is we've been passed by 53-foot RVs already.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
We stopped for some lunch right before the USA border, Canada-USA border, because we're in Alaska, on the top of the world highway. It's pretty smoky. Honestly, guys, this right here, don't let this deceive you. Everything 5 miles that way, all the way to Tok, is horrible. It's so bad. Like, the amount of noise that this sway bar has been making this ride unbelievably difficult. As soon as we hit the asphalt, I thanked the Lord above. These views are amazing. It's hard to tell if I can see it through the camera, but this is, they call us top of the world highway, and there's a damn reason for that, because this is the top of the world up here, guys. You're on top of all the mountains. We have actually come down off the top of 2 of them already that were back that way. Just breathtaking. So super happy that the school bus made it this far. Dorothy is not enjoying her life on that road. Everything in the bus felt like it was moving. It was like we did 95 miles and it took us almost 2.5, 3 hours. It was a very difficult drive, guys. Some points I was doing like 15 miles an hour just because how difficult it was. I got lots of footage from the GoPro up here, but I am not sure how well it's gonna look. I've been trying to rub all the mosquitoes and flies out of it. You can see all the bugs all over it. But got a whole bunch of footage. Hopefully it looks good for you guys.
The afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna.
Well, after that drive, Dorothy's gonna need a wash, and a rest and some parts. But guys, we did it. We did Alaska Highway number 5, which took us to the top of the world. We are less than, I think, 5 or 6 miles, because it hasn't switched over to kilometers yet, from Dawson City. Guys, we made it. Well, we haven't made it yet, but we've made it. We've made it. This is making it. We've made it. You gotta love it. They have this old-fashioned welcome sign to Dawson City. It's pretty cool. They even have old mining equipment down there. It's like a rock tumbler. But Dorothy the bus has made it. She needs a good wash. It started raining. The weather got bad. You could hear thunderstorms. The roads got bad. Everything's just been rough for the last while. But guess what? She's made it. Even all of our travelers attached to the back are here too. The jacks, the propane. Look at the dirt on this diesel tank. There's diesel in there. Guys, we made it. Look at the back of this damn bus. Let's go catch the ferry.
The top, we're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.